Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a powerful and flexible kitchen appliance from the makers of Instant Pot, the Instant Pot VersaZone 9-quart air fryer. If you want a large air fryer that can cook multiple foods at once while still delivering crispy results, this one is definitely worth checking out. Let's start with the capacity. This air fryer comes with a large 9-quart cooking space, which makes it perfect for families or meal prep. You can cook large portions of food like chicken wings, fries, vegetables, or even full meals without needing multiple cooking batches. But the most interesting feature here is the VersaZone technology. This design allows you to use the air fryer in two different ways. You can either divide the cooking area into two independent baskets, or remove the divider and create one large cooking zone for bigger meals. That flexibility makes this air fryer extremely convenient for different cooking needs. Next, let's talk about Even Crisp technology, which is Instant Pot's advanced air circulation system. It pushes hot air evenly around the food to create that crispy golden texture people love, while using significantly less oil compared to deep frying. Now let's look at the 8-in-1 cooking functions. This air fryer replaces several kitchen appliances because it can air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, reheat, sync cook, sync finish. This means you can cook two different foods at different temperatures and times, and the air fryer will ensure they both finish cooking at the same time. Another big advantage is the temperature flexibility. Each basket can operate independently, so you can cook something delicate like vegetables in one side and high-heat items like chicken or fries in the other. Pause for a second. If you enjoy discovering smart kitchen gadgets like this one, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's talk about ease of use and cleaning. The Instant Pot VersaZone features an easy-to-use digital control panel, and the baskets come with non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe parts, which makes cleanup simple. And finally, the design is sleek and modern with a matte black finish that fits nicely into most kitchens without taking up too much countertop space. So overall, the Instant Pot VersaZone 9-QD air fryer is a powerful, flexible cooking appliance that offers large capacity, smart cooking features, and crispy results with less oil. If you're interested in checking it out, I'll leave the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.